Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Instagram search suggestions. First of all, open the Instagram application, tap on the second tab at the bottom to navigate to the explore page. Then tap on search bar to see your recent searches. Here tap on the see all option to view your entire search history. Then tap on clear all option. After that again tap on clear all. Then all the search history will be deleted. Now restart the Instagram application by closing it and reopening it. Navigate again to the explore page and here you will see that if you search again, you may still see suggestions based on your previous activity. It means that Instagram still shows the same suggestions although we deleted it. To fully remove a suggestion, go to the profile of the account that keeps showing up. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Select the block option. Now tap again on block. Once blocked, that account will no longer appear in your suggestions, even if you search for it. Currently, there isn't another way to completely remove search suggestions beside this method, and this is how you can delete Instagram search suggestions.